Thank you so much, my family. We need to walk. We need to do afternoon walk. Let's walk together. Let's walk together, my family. Let me take the keys. I won't forget the keys. I don't want to forget lemon because this cold is not didn't want to go. So I need lemon. I need some lemon. It looks like it's cold outside. It looks like it's cold outside. No letters. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God. Is it raining? Yes, I think it's rain. Is it a big rain or small? Is it a big rain or small rain? Yeah, it's raining. It's pouring. Oh my God. It's pouring. It's pouring. I can't walk. I can't walk just now. It's pouring, my family. We have to go back. Or we can take the umbrella. But the umbrella is too big one. The umbrella is too big. The umbrella is too big. The umbrella is too big. My family. So I can't. It's raining. It's raining outside. And it's raining. Oh my God. We can't do it. So we wanted to do the walk, my family, but we can't because it's raining. We'll do it later, my family. Bye for now. Bye.